So I'm gonna do it before and after. All right, so we've started to pull it apart. Got a full Yoshi on it. Well, not full, but a back piece. Definitely needs tires. I think those teeth look pretty nice in there. Chain probably needs to just be cleaned. Threw a battery in there. It does crank. It does come back from the dead. 39,000 miles on a 600, 2008. That ain't too bad. Need to look at some wiring stuff though, lights don't work. But so far we're looking pretty good, honestly, I think. All right, got pretty much everything off for the night. I think I'm gonna stop here. Everything off. Alright, so I'll do a little video on this because I haven't yet, I guess. Obviously we got my bike, now we got this. Got a 2008. I think I said that before in the previous parts, but yeah, it starts now, it runs, it's all put together. Got a tire on the back, need one for the front. But yeah, dude, 3 days after sitting for like 3 years and we got that together. Runs, rides good, could use a couple things, but you know, it's expected. Dad, yeah, he's out there chilling right now. But yeah, dude, it's put together. Clean brake fluid front and rear. Got the Yoshi all cleaned up for the most part. Sorry, my camera keeps focusing in and out. It's a piece. Yeah, dude. Thing looks good though. Needs headlights, obviously. We're gonna change the mirrors, probably put some little levers like that, lever protectors, different levers on it. A couple little different things, but yeah, I'm happy with it and I like it. Super cool little bike. Gonna be super fun to ride with this. Let him get a test ride on it. Just got the new chain and sprocket. A little more torquey, a little more fun. I think it sounds good. Yeah. God, it sounds so good, dude. Healthy. Yeah. Yeah. That's fun. I think it's because the clutch is a little bit funny on that bike. Maybe it's more on the outer. Gotta adjust it.